Alright, check this out. This your boy Jay Friday, you know. We got the slapping trio. We gotta see who can slap theyself the hardest. You know what I'm saying? We gonna start off with little man right here, this Calvin right here. Let's see what you're working with, partner. That was Calvin there. Grab my nigga J Raj. Hold on, Silk Girl. There go Silk. Silky. Look at Silk Girl. That motherfucker named Titus. Check him out. Burberry. That motherfucker got Silk Draws and Burberry's little sweats.
I'm good.
Okay, then we got J Raj here, man. Check my nigga out. I don't think nobody fucking with my nigga. This is the champion right here. Slap-a-thon King. Get it one more time, man. Get it one more time. We got my... That motherfucker sounded like a microphone, bro. That motherfucker sounded like a fucking microphone, bro. That is fucking...